Welcome to Motfoot English.
Oxford Vocabulary. Land, land. The part of the Earth's surface that is not covered by water, or to come down onto the ground. Language, language, a system of communication used by a particular country or community. Large, large, of considerable size, extent, or capacity. Last, last, coming after all others in time or order, or to continue for a certain period. Late, late, after the expected or usual time, or near the end of a period. Laugh, laugh, to make sounds and movements of the face that show amusement. Law, law, the system of rules that a society or government develops to deal with crime and business agreements. Lay, lay, to put something down carefully in a flat position. Lead, lead, to be in charge or guide others, or a position at the front. Learn, learn, to gain knowledge or skills through study, experience, or teaching. Leave, leave, to go away from a place or person, or to allow something to remain. Left, left, the opposite direction of right, or something that remains. Leg, leg, the part of the body used for standing and walking. Less, less, a smaller amount or quantity of something. Let, to allow or permit someone to do something. Letter, letter, a written or printed communication sent to someone, or a symbol in the alphabet. Level, level, a specific height, position, or rank, or something that is flat and even. Lie, lie, to rest in a horizontal position, or to say something untrue. Life, life, the state of being alive, or the existence of an individual person or organism. Light, light, the natural agent that makes things visible, or something that weighs little. Like, to enjoy or be fond of something or someone, or similar to something else. Line, line, a long, narrow mark, or a row of people or things. List, list, a series of items written or printed consecutively. Listen, listen, to give attention to sound or to hear something with intention. Little, little, small in size, amount, or degree. Live, live, to be alive, or to reside in a place. Long, long, measuring a great distance from end to end, or lasting for a great period of time. Look, look, to direct your eyes towards something, or a particular appearance. Lose, lose, to fail to keep something or be unable to find it. Lot, lot, a large amount or number of something. Love, love, a strong feeling of affection and care for someone or something. Low, low, positioned at a small distance from the ground, or a small amount or level.